Hi, my name is Nikita and I'm going to be showing you how to use this Ultimaker 2 3D printer. So first thing, we put in our SD card where I already have an STL file of what I want to print, which you can get from either your CAD tool or a website. So then you go and open Cura 15.4, whatever version you have. Open Cura. After it opens, you go to File, Load Model File. I'm going to be printing this. Open. As you can see, it automatically puts it down onto the base of the 3D printer. Right here we can set out, you can go to full settings or quick print. In the quick print you have the simple option of selecting fast print, normal, high, ultra quality. So as you can see, this small this 3 gram Pikachu is going to take 1 hour and 39 minutes, but in fast print it would take, it is calculating, it would take 16 minutes, so a very big difference. Okay, so once you have picked out your setting, whether or not you want to do high quality or low quality, whether or not you want to print with support or without, you can then go to File, Save G-Code, pick your SD card, click Save. In this case we already had it saved there, but let's just do Replace, Save, and here we are. We save the G-code, take out the SD card, and put it into the 3D printer.
Okay, so after you load the module, we will start printing it. First by turning on the printer, the button is at the back. So as you can see, the printer will be turned on. It's beautiful. And first, to make sure that the material is not jammed, we will first go to maintenance, which is here, and go to advanced. And we move to move material, so that, and then after you click on it, the temperature will increase. It will heat up the material and wait for it to come out. So once the temperature reaches the expected temperature that we want, you can rotate the button beside it and to extrude the material out. As you can see, as we keep on rotating it, the material is coming out, which proves that your machine is not jammed and you're good to go. So before leveling the plate, you will want to put the glue on the plate so that the material will get stick on it. Just evenly spread it around the plate.
Before you can print, it's very important to level the build plate. So go to Maintenance, Build Plate, and it will take you step by step through the leveling process.
So after you apply the glue and level the plate, you will want to print your stuff. So just click on Print and go to the P-cut, which is what we want to print. And then after that, the material will get heated up and it will get ready to print your stuff.
After you have successfully leveled the build plate, put on glue, and then load it in your SD card, you can click Print, and the machine will take it from there.